Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen and today I will be bringing you a fun family recipe. Today's recipe is Banoffee Pie. The ingredients are 150 grams of digestive biscuits, 70 grams of butter, 1 tin of caramel condensed milk, 2 bananas, 100 millilitres of double cream and chocolate to decorate. So to start, place the digestives in a bag and bash with a rolling pin. This is a great way to get the children involved. Everyone loves bashing biscuits. Once you've bashed the biscuits and they're at a breadcrumb consistency, melt the butter in a pan. If you wanted to, you could take the butter out and just do it as a loose base. If you're making this as a larger banoffee pie, if you're using a cake tin, you'd need to use the butter. Once the butter has melted, you could do this in the microwave if you wanted to. It's just so it's binding ingredients for the biscuits. Add the biscuits to the butter. And stir. Once combined, you can take a bowl, or I've used a glass this time, and pop your biscuits in. Press it down and place in the fridge for about 10 minutes for the butter to set. And here's one I did earlier. Take a banana and slice it. Place on the biscuit base. Add as many bananas as you like. Add the caramel topping. Again, you can play with your quantities. You might want more toffee, you might want less. Take your double cream, pour it in the bowl and whisk. I've used my electric whisk today for speed, but you could do it by hand. Once you've whisked the cream to stiff peaks, top the caramel with cream and decorate with grated chocolate if you so wish. Add another slice of banana just before serving.